Welcome to another episode of Premium Solutions Exterior. Today I'm here in the shoreline area. I'm about to do a repair here. Currently, a few weeks ago, a branch, I'm assuming that is from that one or from this one, I broke this area by the valley. So this is what we call California Valley when there is no flashing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna start removing shingle on that side, because this shingle that runs underneath that one. And in order to do this repair, I have to remove shingles on this side. So I think I'm gonna have to remove some bridge cap, and you guys will see the process. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. All right, so this is what I have done so far. Like I said earlier, in order to remove this shingle, I have to remove this side of the valley, because that is the valley you guys can see here. This is what we call California Valley, where there is no flashing, just the shingle goes that way, and the shingle from this one is stay on the top. So you guys can see on this side here. So this shingle, it runs underneath the another one, as you guys can see, all the way up there. So it was the same thing on this area. So this is how it look, the broken sheeting. You know, you can see it all the way to here. There's a crack. So what I can see here is that this plywood doesn't seem to be wet. So I feel the temporary repair that I did a couple weeks ago, it works. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove this plywood. So I'm gonna make a cut here, and I'm gonna inspect the interior of the attic. I hope everything will be dry. I'm thinking my temporary repair works, and there were no more water intrusion on that specific spot. But you know, you never know. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna remove this plywood, gonna make a cut and inspect that area, and then we can take it from there. All right, so just stay tuned. Okay, so this is how they look. You know, I have removed the plywood that was broken here, and I just find out that there were a few things. I'm gonna find it out. First, everything is dry. That is a good news. So that means that the my temporary repair works. Second, let's take a quick look here in that section there. This one. So I'm assuming that the branch hit that area, and also you guys can barely see it there. See that line around here? Looks like it was wet before. Now everything here, it's all dry. There are some pine needles, small little tiny branches, small, not a big deal. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna install new framing to support the new plywood. All right, this is how it looks now. You know, I have creating new support for the plywood, so I'm just gonna put it there, install new nails, and I'm gonna install new underlayment. Okay, this is how it looks. Now I'm gonna put a new underlayment, and it'll be ready for the new shingle. Okay, so this is how it looks now for one side. As you guys notice, is that this shingle runs all the way there. See right here? So now I have to install the shingle on that side, so it'll be, this one will be underneath the another one, and it looks like this. That goes underneath. This is what we call California Valley. So okay, so this is how it looks now. Now you guys can see that I had to remove this one to remove that one. So this is how it looks. This is what we call the California Valley, because there is no flashing in the mirror. Now in order to install this, I have to go underneath this one and then these shingles on top of that one. I have removed some bridge cap. Then it looks there, as you can see. So it's ready for the rain, ready for the snow. You know, this is how it looks. All right, so I'm out of here. This is Rafael with Premium Solutions Exterior, 425-599-4850. Feel free to call me or even text me anytime. See you next time. Bye bye.